Machielo en ni Jalup jatend jotij piny owacho Eliu Owalo ogolo siem mager ne jogo bende koro mako tenda mathoth sirkal. Tenda go bende chwe tamogi timo. Owalo wacho ni ji makamago koro miyo tije mathoth mag piny owacho kwamo, to pes jopiny mathoth bende koro lal e tije makamago. Ne ogolo siem mager ka wacho ni sirkal koro biro kawo okang' mager mar chik ne ji makamago motelo ne gologi e listi ma gindikore kendo mopuodhogi mondo mi koro gibed jogo manyalo kawo tenda gi sirkal.
Generally, we are also witnessing a situation where a number of contractors are taking up more government projects than they can implement at the same time. We want to caution contractors to only bid for a number of projects which they can adequately implement based on their technical and otherwise capacity. If any contractor takes up government projects, which their capacity cannot absorb, we will recommend those contractors for blacklisting, because we don't want a situation where government funds are tied up. You are aware that we have to implement government projects within a given budgetary cycle. If we have a contractor delaying a government project, that in effect also interferes with the absorption, the project absorption rate, the absorption rate in terms from a finance perspective. So we want to caution contractors to only bid for the requisite number of projects, those projects they are sure that they can implement.